Good morning students. In the last class we have seen that carbon dioxide is released during respiration. So we have seen this experiment with the sprouted seeds. So we have taken sprouted seeds in a wide mouthed flask and kept a small beaker containing lime water in it. After 24 hours we have seen that lime water has turned into milky color because respiration has occurred in the sprouted seeds. Carbon dioxide is released and it changed into the lime water into the milky. But if you see the same apparatus you are keeping with the normal seeds. They are not sprouted, normal dry seeds. So what happens there? The respiration does not occur. So by this experiment we can prove that carbon dioxide is released during respiration. One more experiment is given, that is heat is evolved during respiration. Heat is evolved during respiration. Okay, this is our experiment. Aim of the experiment is to prove that heat is evolved during respiration. What are the apparatus? Thermoflask. Next, sprouted seeds. Thermometer. Rubber cork. So these are the apparatus required for the experiment to do. Now what is the procedure? How you do the experiment? Okay. So these are the apparatus which are needed for the experiment. Now what is the procedure? Now take a thermos flask. I am drawing roughly, you should draw neatly. Okay. Take a thermos flask. Okay. Remove the lid of the thermos flask. Put some sprouted seeds. Sprouted moong dal seeds or any seeds sprouted. They should be sprouted, means they should be germinated. Take some sprouted Bengal gram seeds or moong dal seeds, any type of seeds, but they should be sprouted. So remove the lid and replace the lid by a rubber cork. Replace the lid by a rubber cork having one hole. Having a hole. Okay, clear? So you should remove the lid of the thermos flask and replace it with a rubber stopper. Replace it with a rubber stopper having one hole. Through this hole you should insert a thermometer. Through this hole you should insert a thermometer. So while inserting thermometer, we should observe, we should do compulsory these two things. What is one? First thing is, you should okay. So this is our thermos flask which is containing sprouted seeds, and we have replaced the lid with a rubber stopper having one hole. Inside this hole we should insert a thermometer. So while inserting thermometer we should take care that the bulb of the thermometer should touch the seeds, the bulb. Okay. So I will draw with another color. So this is our thermometer. Okay, this is our thermometer. So you should see that the bulb should be inserted. It should be dipped inside the. It should be immersed. It should be immersed. The bulb should touch the sprouted seeds. The bulb should be immersed in the seeds. Sprouted seeds. Okay, the bulb should be immersed in the sprouted seeds. Now, so this is our thermometer. So the opening, whatever the hole is there from where you inserted the thermometer, you should close that with some wax or something, so that external heat does not enters into the chamber, and whatever heat is produced inside this thermos glass should not go out. So you close the lid by using paraffin wax. After inserting the thermometer, just close the opening hole which is present on the rubber cork by using paraffin wax. Okay. Now close. Now the apparatus are ready. Very simple apparatus. Take a thermos flask, remove the lid, put some sprouted seeds. In place of lid, you are using rubber cork having a hole. Through that hole, you are inserting a thermometer, and you fix the rubber stopper to a thermos flask. So, see that the bulb of the thermometer should touch the germinating seeds, and close the hole with a paraffin wax. Keep the apparatus like this. Note down the initial temperature. What will be the initial temperature? Initial temperature, assume it is 15 degrees. So I think just assume that it is 15 degrees. Note the temperature after every 2 hours. So initially, suppose it is at 8 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, it should be 18. It will be 18, 12, 21. 2 o'clock, 24. 3 o'clock, 26. So like this. So we observe that the temperature is being increased steadily. Temperature is being increased steadily. Plot a graph. Plot a graph. Okay, by taking plot a graph by taking this like a time on the x-axis, so time on the x-axis and temperature on the y-axis. So temperature on the y-axis 0, 2, 4, 6. So I will start from 15. Okay, 15, 30, 45. What will be 45 less than 55? 60, 75. So like this. So initial temperature was 15 degrees. Initial temperature. After 2 hours it is 30. Then it is nearly 44. At nearly 44. Nearly 50. 60. 77. So if you see, the temperature is being increased steadily. After sometimes it becomes constant. After sometimes it becomes constant. So we say that during respiration heat is evolved. That's why temperature is being released. What the sprouted seeds which are present in the thermos flask, they are respiring and they are releasing heat. That heat is noted by the thermometer present in the thermos flask. So we see that heat is being released steadily. So by this experiment we can prove that heat is evolved during respiration. So this is our thermos flask. This is the diagram. So you see the sprouted seeds. This is our thermometer. The lid is covered by a rubber stopper having a hole. The bulb is immersed in the seeds. Leave this apparatus like this and note down the temperature for every 2 hours. What did you observe? We observe that heat is released. So the temperature is increased in the thermometer. So by this experiment we can prove that heat is evolved during the respiration. Okay, thank you.